Still stuck at 237 views? Here's why your videos aren't blowing up in 2025. You're uploading like it's 2018, drag, drop, pray, repeat. But in 2025, that's a guaranteed way to stay invisible. The truth is, the algorithm is smarter, the competition is tougher, and your upload settings can make or break your reach. Here are the 5 most important steps to give your videos a real shot at going viral, settings included. 1. The viral blueprint. Before we even talk about thumbnails or tags, open YouTube Studio to click Create To and upload your video. 2. The title strategy. Your title isn't just a name, it's the first hook. Think keywords that matter, curiosity that clicks, and power words that pop. Example, instead of morning routine, try something like 5 a.m. routine that helped me make $5,000 a month. No office needed. 3. Description and tags. Still SEO gold. This isn't where you just paste your script and call it a day. The first 3 lines, that's your discoverability window. Use strong keywords right there. Include a clear CTA, and drop in related phrases naturally. That's what YouTube picks up on for recommendations. And yes, tags still matter. Don't skip them. 4. Thumbnail plus advanced settings. Your thumbnail has one job: to stop the scroll, use bold contrasts, clear faces, and just enough emotion or tension to spark curiosity. Now, don't skip over advanced settings. Enable embedding, choose the right category, don't post skits under education. Set your language and subtitles, it expands your reach across regions. 5. In-screens plus info cards. These keep people watching your other videos, and that's what YouTube loves. Link to your best performing content or part 2. Keep the loop going. It's about uploading with intention, strategy, precision. So next time, don't just upload. Optimize, plan, and give that video its best shot at going viral